Well, I'm almost done building this workbench. You're not even close. You got like 1,000 things left to do. Fuck off. Whatever, man. Happy Thanksgiving, asshole. Anyways, this workbench is going to be the next video. I got to finish it. I got to put another vise on it anyways. But today's video, we're going to be putting in these windows. I got windows around the entire front and half of the sides of my shed here. And it cost me less than $100. So I'll show you how I made them. This is one of the cutoffs of the polycarbonate sheet I'm using for these windows. I like it because it kind of has a dual pane design. You can see there's little hollow holes through the whole center of it. And then there's also one side that peels off. The side that peels off is the side that faces the outside. It has a UV resistant coating, so that's pretty important to make sure that that goes on the outside. Here's the size of the window. In this case, 14 inches tall, 4 feet wide.
I have some other windows in my greenhouse that have this orientation where the lines are running vertical. Otherwise, I think I would have ran it horizontal, but I kind of want it to match.
And make sure you leave the plastic coating on until after you at least pin in the first screw. That way you don't get mixed up which side needs to be facing outside and which side needs to be facing inside. If you take a close look at a regular window, you'll see that there's an aluminum thing channel in the middle with a pane of glass on the inside and the outside. On top of this wall, I crudely nailed in these 2x2s, and this will act as the frame for the window. Don't click away yet because my video statistics need you to keep watching because they're really low. On this setup, I have the wall that comes up and then there's this little lip. So I want to make sure that I put some plastic that goes from the inside and then down around this.
Later I can put some trim there, and I can put a metal or a piece of aluminum that goes over and hangs over this edge, kind of a drip ledge, but I don't want anything to get here and just be able to sit or go into the building. So I line the whole thing with plastic.
Just like on my last video that covered polycarbonate roofing, you want to install this the same exact way. You want the screw to go in and just barely dimple the little rubber gasket. Otherwise, you can just collapse this whole thing and it'll look kind of stupid. Here we are with everything caulked and done. I just got to trim this nasty looking plastic, but we're done.